I started cooking recently and I really enjoy it. Um, I used to think that it's sort of a waste of time to cook from scratch because we can buy the prepared meal. Sort of we all I have to do is just do microwave or just boil or something like that. But I realized that it's really fun to cook, and of course it's economical, and more than that, I can forget really negative things in the past, or anxiety or insecurity, just to focus on now and here by cooking. That's one of the biggest points from cooking. So of course it's a little bit hassle sometimes. So I might not be able to cook by myself every day, but I will try to do it as much as possible. And nowadays we can easily look up menus on website, so that's really great. And a few days ago I found Japanese cooking TV program called 3 minutes cooking. The real title is translate version of 3 minute cooking in Japanese. But that program is amazing. Of course, it's not like the exactly 3 minutes, but we can sort of complete the meal around at least less than 10 minutes. So and also the program really thinks that now here in Japan it's really hot, so the menu they introduced is sort of care not to use too much boiled water because it's very hot, and try to prepare a process of cooking in order to decrease the number of the cooking tools we have to wash after cooking. So they care so much for people who use that website, and it's very beginner friendly. So I really love it. And now for some reason I'm back to I'm living with my parents for some reason, but yeah, so it's sort of easier to cook for multiple people. So in at the grocery store, there's not so much things for a single person. So if I shop at the grocery store when I was living alone, I often bought foods too much and can't consume properly. So in this sense, living it's really good idea to live with your friends or loved ones and your family and so on. It's not just food, like the water and the electricity and the heat. It will be way more economical compared to living yourself. So yeah, it's good to make a community in terms of living. Yeah, anyway, I will enjoy cooking from now on.